If you want to see how I created this DIY disco cowboy hat, keep on watching. Beyoncé announced her Renaissance World Tour with this photo on her Instagram. I was immediately drawn to the disco ball cowboy hat she was wearing, and I thought, I'm definitely going to make this. I purchased these self-adhesive mini glass squares from Amazon. They were only $17.99 for 4 sheets. To finish the hat, I used a total of 5 sheets. I purchased a novelty cowboy hat from Amazon in white, but you can really use any color that you'd like. To start off this DIY, I removed the string because I didn't really want it on my hat, so you can remove the string if you'd like or keep it. To start designing your hat, you want to add the glass squares around the base of your hat. To design the crown of your hat, you want to place the mini squares moving up the hat in a straight line. So you want to try to get the lines as straight as possible. After completing the front section of your hat, you can start working on the sides by creating a layering effect. So you can see here, the lines on the sides are starting to layer with the front lines. To design the brim of your hat, you want to place these in a straight line. So again, with the same process as the front, placing them on the hat in straight lines as straight as possible. Your hat should look something like this after placing all of the glass squares. It's also okay if some of your lines aren't as straight. Some of mine ended up looking a little curved. That's okay. For the bottom brim of your hat, you want to repeat the same steps as the top brim, so placing them in straight lines all around the bottom. I decided to add some glass squares to the front of the brim just so the white wouldn't show. And there you have it. That is my finished disco ball cowboy hat. I think it turned out so cool. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at Black Charmer.